yemenyekene buna enyombeli ya kawa kune nchira ya muyoka ne kibuna abalemi be kawa korega se county ya Kisii ngonyara bale bakonyora echiro ye kawa yago yo basimegete ase emego ndeyo asinga kiecho nigo boigonya bicha nyara ko bagakwira ryo bagelyo nagote babuna nigo bwate emerobeli yo kane kibuna chi investor nigo chiratsikanyara ko ba chikoreta enibu yabo naboga kubeka ase semeyo kune nchira ya moboigo boigora mabaga yechigasi aiga ase county ya Kisii guchiasa bamenyi be county yo.
Indeed, we are excited today for this grand opening of Chaff House. We know the brand Chaff House is a renowned brand, is bringing goods to Kisii County. We indeed welcome Chaff House in Kisii County. It has come in a big way, and we encourage it to work within Kisii County. It's bringing, as the manager said, she has employed some of the staff from the Kisii County. He is going to provide market for the local products. Knowing that Kisii is well known for coffee growing and other products, is a land of plenty, I believe through Chaff House we will get market for our products in Kisii County. As a county, we encourage for these to come, and we encourage for the expansion of Chaff House within Kisii. Kisii is expansive and is economical giant within the region. We expect these to grow in a very fast way, and we have 1 or 2 branches open in Kisii. I think that's a policy we have as a department, encouraging trade and encouraging people to grow in terms of investment. It's good for the community of Kisii. We encourage other investors to invest in this. We have a very good environment, good policies within Kisii to ensure that we encourage more investors to come and invest in Kisii for our people to grow economically. That's where we are looking at. Indeed, as a county, through the policy of Our Excellency Bharat, is really encouraging people to come and invest in Kisii because it's so productive, and we provide market for our people, we provide employment for our young people, and the qualification and the professionalism that we bring to us.
Nagotabona abansa ega sensi ya Kenya nigo kwento konyara kobago tegererwa amone serikali naboigo kwegwa obosibole bogwekwana ali abakonyara koba bagwetera bana basaye aiga sense asinga kiecho nanya nabo nigo abaragia go bagania abarai bali abarase birugo bya serikali basababe bagotumeka ebirugo naboigo libageli bayiro n'abakenya asenjera ebwenerete.
Betave Rehabilitation Center ni nyagitari egokonya abantu aguo bachandire no butumiki bwa mariogo yo gutindia buna bono ubutumiki bwa marua chinyasore amona yandamanke
ya ba mintongoro Kelvin osire uko ngangusi njeno monyagitari bwa mangana ya mental health so monyagitari bwa bongo ase Betave Rehab